This is another elevator at the Children's Institute in Squirrel, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Go to 4. I don't know what this was originally, but it was replaced with the Schindler MT and EPCO Inchline second floor call station. This is elevator number 1. Here we go. This elevator is pretty basic. No chimes on the inside, or no floor passing chime. This is another elevator here that Patrick Ned's missed. Here are 4 lanterns burned out. Yeah, this is modernized. Go back to number 1. There's Dahlstrom up there. That's weird. 88 phone. No certificate. Okay, that's weird. Elevator number 1. Pretty basic cab for the Children's Institute. There's your door hold switch, and there's your stop switch. This is just a pretty basic elevator. 88 phone. Here, back at 1.